So let's start with a simple workspace. So if you look at this particular workspace, I've got really nothing here except for a Jupyter notebook. It's for all intents and purposes something that I had just downloaded off the internet, and I'd just like to have a look at how this notebook works and what it does. All I know is that it's got a title in here. It's going to do some data analysis on the Titanic data set. I'm going to try to run this particular cell, and the first thing I'm prompted with is to select a Python environment. I go ahead with the recommendation, and it says, okay, create a Python environment. I haven't got any Python environments, and this is a new feature, quick create. It's a new feature that is in one of the new Python extensions, and that's called the Python environment extension. It allows us to create a new environment really quickly. That's why it's called quick create, and it also installs relevant packages required for the Jupyter extension, which is to run Python kernels in Jupyter notebooks. Generally, this can take 30 seconds to a minute, but now it is just a matter of seconds. So as you can see, it's installed the packages, and now I'm running the cell. And there you go. The first thing was, once I ran the cell, was as soon as I created this environment, some packages are missing. So you've got the error message saying pandas is not found. I'm going to go ahead and use a new feature, which is add cell to output. And I'm going to try to ask Copilot to fix this error. At this point, what Copilot should do is it should detect that the environments are missing. It will use pip. Pip is great, but so this is where I can see that, okay, it doesn't use some of the built-in packages. So I'm going to try this again. It's just that sometimes using existing hacking install.
I think this is a great
It just needs.
the
It just
stress of your prompt is so important, like, sometimes just being a little bit more specific will get you to what you want.
Yes, and it might just need a little bit of a nudge there to get to do the right thing. There you go. So now it has picked the right tool. There is a built-in tool that we have to install the missing packages, and right now it has seen that there are some packages missing, and it's done.